in our skin there are many things that makes our body. Two of them are bones and muscles. Okay, so bones basically help us to stand still. They are made of calcium and phosphorus, while bones are covered with muscle part. So we have 206 bones in our body that makes our skeletal system, and 639 muscles which is covering the bones. Arrangement of these bones is known as skeletal system. Skeletal system का मतलब जो भी सारा अपना ढांचा तैयार है बॉडी के अंदर, जो अपने विदाउट बोन्स अपन सिर्फ एक ऑर्गन और स्किन के मांस होते हैं सिर्फ, और उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं होते. बोन्स हेल्प अस टू बी अ stand straight. Okay, from the head underneath this skin is skull. Okay, this is our skull section. Okay, after that it is rib cage here, and the pair of arms is forelimb, and the pair of legs is hind limbs. Okay, the strength of bones is measured by bone density, and bone density used to gain till 30, till the age of 30. After it start declining, so we should take more intake of calcium and phosphorus food items that comprise, and we should do more and more exercises.
So now we will be studying about the structure of bones. Structure of bones consists of three parts. The first upper layer is periosteum, which contains the blood vessel, while the another next level is compact bone, and the inside it is filled with spongy bone. Okay, so now we will learn about the bone marrow. Bone marrow is a tissue found inside the bone and produces blood cell, which is vital for our immune system. Immune system means it immunity present करती है ना to fight against the diseases. Okay, next is skeletal system. As we have studied that arrangement of the bones collectively known as skeletal system. This is our skull part, this is ribs, this is forelimbs, and this is hind limbs. Okay, so collectively it is termed as skeletal system. Firstly, starting from skull, the upper part of this is how our skulls looks inside, and this is it is the fixed part, while only the jaw part we have, it is the moving part. Okay, so while we talk or eat, this part moves. Okay, next is spine or backbone. It is it is present in the backbone part. It has 33 small bones called vertebrae. Okay, or vertebrate columns. Okay, so this was in the back side of us we have spines. Okay, now the next is rib cage. As you can see, this looks like a cage, और हिंदी में जैसे कि बोलते हैं केज का मतलब पिंजरा, तो ये पिंजरे के समान है, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं रिब केज. It helps us to protect the lungs and heart part. Okay, it has 24 ribs and 24 ribs. Okay, 12 pair of 12. Okay, now we will be studying about the limbs. We have a pair of limbs, like forelimb part, which is the pair of our arm, and the leg part is known as hind limbs. Okay, so in the upper part, our hand and wrist are made up of 27 small bones, while the foot part consists of 26 bones on the each foot. Okay, next, joints. As we know, joints are important for movement of our body from one place to another. So there are different types of joints. Firstly, it's hinge joint. As the name suggests, it hinges the door opening one way. Such joints can move only in one direction. Okay, and these are found in the knees and toes and elbows. Now the next is ball and socket joint, which is present on the shoulder part and also on the hip joint. As we all know, we can swing our hand in all directions, so the rotating movement is possible in all directions. So these are the present. Now we will talk about the pivot joint. These joints are found in the neck portion. Okay, this is how it looks like. We can turn our neck, so this movement is here. Okay, now the next is gliding joint. Gliding joint is present here. Okay, in the arm part. Okay, so we can see between this as we can glide our hands. So this is how the gliding joint looks like. Okay, so these all are the 4 types of joints that are present in our body. That is ball and socket, present at the shoulder and the hips portion, gliding joint present in the finger, in the arm section, and the pivot is present in the neck, as we can turn here and there backward, and the hinge joint present in the our elbow side. Okay, this is how it slides. Okay, after studying about the bone part, we will move to the muscle part. As we know, bones are covered with muscles and their contraction and extension helps in the movement. So we have 639 muscles in our body, which comprise of our 40% body weight. There are three types of motion muscles, like voluntary muscles. The movement of these are under control. ये movement अपन control करते हैं, जैसे कि जब चलते हैं तब run, smile, read with these muscles. Okay, so these all are totally in our control. So these muscles are known as voluntary muscles. Now the next is involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means ये अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं रहता, जैसे कि डाइजेशन. अपन जब फूड इनटेक कर लेते हैं तो उसके बाद डाइजेशन अपने आप होता है स्टमक के मसल से. वी कांट कंट्रोल दैट, राइट? सो दे आर नोन एज दिस इनवॉलेंट्री. नेक्स्ट इज कार्डिक मसल. दीज मसल आर स्पेशली फाउंड, एज दिस सजेस्ट, कार्डिक मीन्स हार्ट. So these are the present in the heart. Okay, beating always without our doing anything. We can't stop or start our heart beating. Okay, they beat by themselves. So these muscles are found in the heart portion. Okay, thank you.